Hello and welcome to a brand new series, Captain Tom's Flight Sim Tutorials. On today's episode, how to plan a flight with SimBrief. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in SimBrief.com. You're on SimBrief, so you see SimBrief is completely free. You want to go to Dispatch or make an account if you haven't already. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And we'll go Dispatch System. Click Create Flight. And this is your flight planning page. You see, very simple. Doesn't look simple, it looks a wee bit complex, but simple once you get the hang of it. So here you don't want to click Dispatch Options just now. You want to click Airline. We're going to be Ryanair. Our call sign is 4 Alpha Alpha. And we're departing from Manchester, which is EGCC. Arriving to Fuerteventura, which is GCFV. It'll automatically generate you an alternate airport. You can click auto if you want, or don't put any. My airframe, they've got mainly all the main aircraft, so you can click anyone you want. We're flying the Boeing 777-800, so it's B738. Click that. It'll give you a time and route and your departure runway. We are having the departure runway 05 left today, and arrival runway will be runway 01. Gives you a taxi out time. I'm going to say our taxi out time is going to be about 15 minutes, and taxi in is going to be about 5. That's just how long you usually have the AP on. Extra fuel, we're not going to have extra on today, because that'll give you additionals that you need for emergency fuel. Anyway, passengers today, you can choose how many passengers you want. We're going to have 143 on board, and cargo, we are going to have 3.5 tons of cargo on board. This will automatically generate your flight plan, suggested routes, or you can put in your own flight plan. This could be ours today. You can click there. It'll give you a SID, Standard Instrument Departure, and a STAR, Standard Instrument Arrival, and all your waypoints in between. So you click that, you can come down to the map here and use control, and you can check that it all works and is working condition. You change anything if you want. I see this flight plan is going to take us down past Brest area, Bay of Biscay, and over the coast of Portugal, down into the coast of Morocco, and then falling into Fuerteventura here in the Canaries. So that gives you all that good stuff. You can change whether you want it to be satellite, terrain, or the usual SimBrief. I usually keep it as SimBrief. So you want to go back up to the top. Make sure you get everything. That departure time is going to be actually 15:05, if we can make it. 15:05. So you change that. You can change your OFP, so you can change any airlines that use it. British Airways, Berlin, Delta. We can Ryanair, and fuel, kilograms. Reserve fuel, we're going to do 30 minutes today because I'm Canaries. Flight map, you can go detailed, simple, none, and all of these words. Click yes, air rack cycle. Keep it as that. Okay, so what you'll do is you want to go, you're back up top, you want to click generate OFP. And you want to click yes. I'll generate it for you, take a wee minute. There we go. In a minute today. This time, and there we go. It is generated. Oh no, it hasn't. Yeah, as it's generated. So here we are. This is your final flight plan. Dispatch output. So you see you get all the information you had put to Ryanair 4 Alpha Alpha, 77 Manchester, Fuerteventura. Alternative's going to be Gran Canaria. Gives you a cruise flight level 340, 34,000 feet. On the 5th of January, departing at 3:05. Airtime 4 hours and 19 minutes. Gives you your fuel there, so it's a good fuel planner as well. No extra fuel, zero fuel weight, we get that on the plane. You get your route here, so this is your route, you'll put into Vatsim. None there. You've got your air rack cycle, OFP format, units, navlog, that's everything on the right side. Click here to show your map, and then it shows you your route map as well with all your waypoints, so you can click on every individual waypoint, such as here. See that's Navov. Come down. So again, net on, and it's on the airway UP17. Now, that is basically it. You get all your paperwork here if you want to have a look into it. You don't have to. Now down here, when you scroll down the bottom, you have flight plan downloads. Now, for whatever payload aircraft you want, if you do not want to enter this manually, this is how you make a company route. So say you're flying the Airsoft Airbus, so you click download the black box Airbus, which I don't know why you'd want to fly that. Click download FS Labs, jar design for X-plane users. level D, majestic, but we're using PMDG 737-800 NGX. So we click PMDG flight plan, you click download, and it'll download for you. What you want to do then is you want to open up your documents, you want to go to common, find your FSX or P3DRX plane route folder. So we're at FSX, we're going to go ahead and find a PMDG folder, double tap PMG, go to flight plans. I don't know if you can see this actually. You're going to go flight plans, NGX, delete it if you have a flight plan in there already, and then drag and drop. It's as simple as that. So you just take a flight plan and put it into your PMDG folder. Don't know, yeah, you can't see that, but yeah, that's how you download it and you put it into your flight sim route folder, and then PMDG airsoft and then flight plans. If you want to pre-file on a network, say flying on Vatsim or Pilot Edge, I'd always fly in Vatsim, so you're going to click pre-file. You don't have to do this, I just like to do it. So you click pre-file, and then you can put your call signs already in, your aircrafts already in, all that good stuff. Saves you filling in absolutely anything. Your route's in there, you can change it if you want, gives you airtime, full voice obviously, and gives you other stuff. I don't really put that in, so I'll just delete that and I'll say RYR EIFIL because that's the aircraft we're flying today, and that'll be it. So you see you get fuel time 5 hours 44 minutes. Now you want to click file flight plan. All this will do is this will keep the flight plan in the system for 2 hours, and whenever you log on to the network with that call sign, so RYR4AA, it will come up and your flight plan will be automatically logged on Vatsim, so the controller can see it and you don't need to fill it through the likes of vPilot or Squawkbox. Anyway, that's how you file a flight plan with SimBrief and get your flight plan. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. Thanks so much.